dancing in the sand. Here, I got this for you. Because we have to do an intro and talk about this. Oh, it could totally be a... It's a beer luge! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be the final episode of the build out of Katie's TC/TE/ maybe it's TX125, who cares, who knows. It's her new dirt bike. It's more fun than her old one, and it's way faster now that we have done all of the...
stuff.
The stuff! We did some stuff!
Did a lot of stuff.
In our last episode, we installed a tubeless front wheel. The one before that, we laced a new rear wheel to that. And somewhere in there, we threw an Lectron carburetor on it. But to round this series out, we're gonna put the last piece on. Because this is quite shiny, very nice, in great condition, and it would be a shame if it stopped being in great condition. So we went ahead and we picked up a P3 carbon fiber pipe guard. This will be a pretty quick install, so we won't keep you too long today. Let's get into it. You don't even think this is worth it?
That's not what I'm saying.
What did you say?
I did say, is it really worth an episode? It's these, and this, and this. The video's gonna take longer than the project actually will.
The video always takes longer than the project does.
So many things. Okay.
Did you read the instructions?
There weren't any.
No, there's literally no
Maybe there's
instructions.
something we can print. Okay, I was wrong. This is gonna be more complex than I thought. Am I doing this right? I'm supposed to be the most awkward thing in here. I did it. You serious?
You have to turn it the whole way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this fluid?
What fluid? Oh, that's dripping on you? Your radiator leaks? It's tomorrow's problem. They're a lot narrow. But also, we can just make the clamps. She's snug. And now when you smack that against rocks, or when I smack this against rocks, because you're like, I'm not riding up that, you get my bike up that. Either way, neither one of us has to deal with the shame of leaving giant dents in a pipe. It's true.
She done?
Yeah. Last video for your bike.
I'm okay with that.
Now you just have to ride it and be cool riding it.
Already doing one of those.
You're riding?
Being cool.
Oh,